Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jose Cornejo and I'm with JDM ASTAR. In today's video, we're going to show you how to upgrade your daily driver's interior lighting. Now if you find this video helpful, smash that like button. It really helps the channel get out there to help others that are trying to brighten things up inside their vehicle's lighting. And of course, subscribe to the channel to help support it. So again, stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this, guys. Alright, the first step you'll want to take, like every other video we've been showing you guys, check your owner's manual to verify the size. Okay, now on the owner's manual, we are going to be upgrading the map lights. So we are looking at the personal lights. And according to this, it's a 5-watt bulb. And if we look at the reference that's down here, we need a letter D, which is going to be a wedge base bulb. So we already know automatically a 5-watt wedge base bulb would be like a traditional 194 factory bulb. So we're going to grab one of those and install it to the map lights. Alright guys, so the first step you'll want to take before changing out your bulb, of course, identify the lamp you're working with. In this case, we're working with the 2 map lights. To be able to pull this lens out, you could use any sort of plastic pry tools. That would be best. It prevents any sort of damaging to the plastic lens. Unfortunately, I don't have that offhand, so we're going to be using a thin or small screwdriver. And you just have to be very careful when installing. You don't want to be too aggressive, that way the plastic doesn't bend or damage. And so the first thing you want to do is just snap the lens off. Now that the lens is removed, we have easier access to the bulb. And to remove it, you just want to give it a little tug and it comes right off. And the LED replacement that we're using, it's going to be our 3014 series. It's about 200 lumens, 6500 color temperature. Really good option for exterior or interior lighting if you want the brightest possible. This particular bulb is not polarity sensitive, so we don't really need to check it, but for the sake of the video, we're going to test it. Alright, now let's go ahead and show you a side-by-side comparison between the factory bulb and the 3014 series LED. Now I need to check for polarity on that one. That one's on. Now let's pop this back in here. Looks like this is your original bulb, and this is after you've installed the LED. Now let's go and show you with both of them on. Oh man, that's bright. Alright guys, that wraps up today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the video get out there so that others like yourself can get some help with upgrading their vehicle's lighting to brighten things up a lot more. And of course, subscribe to the channel. That really helps support it and allows us to bring you guys more and more content. And of course, stay tuned for next week's video. We'll see you then. Bye guys.